Hi guys, my name is Zanaka. I love reading books, and last year I read around 59 books, and I thought, why not? Let's start my own booktube channel where I can talk about my books. Consider as that annoying friend who talks about books a lot, like can't stop talking about it. So here I'll be telling you my favorites book, and please do let me know what are your favorites book in the comment section. And yes, let's start my video. And before starting my video, this is my very first video on YouTube, so please show me some love. Okay, I'm really nervous. Let's begin. So this is my first book, Fourth Wing, which is a book series. I think it is called as Imperial series, and there are supposed to be five books. Three books are out now, and fourth book is coming like next year. Just look at the cover. I know it. It's so pretty. It is so beautiful, and just look at this map. I know, right? Like, it is so cool. Reading is so good, and the world is so magical. Like, there are dragons, there is power, ground has magic, and war is going on with the other entities. And between that, there is a college where you are supposed to graduate or you die. Like, it's a 3 year college, and you become a rider is someone who rides dragon, and you are not supposed to choose dragons are going to choose you. If they don't choose you, you are going to die, or anyone can kill you. There are no rules at all. And here comes a character, our FML. So she's Violet, and she's so cute. She doesn't want to go and become a rider, but somehow she is sent to the college, and she is weak. She has not been training for this at all. Like, she doesn't know how to fight, how she's going to survive. And about top of all of it, there is someone who wants to kill her. Yeah. So it's about her surviving, it's about her learning, it's about her character development, and writing is so good. Like, text are very small, but book is like more than 500 pages, but you won't feel it. It is that good. Like, reading is so fast paced, and I think I finished this book in two days, and it was worth it. And I finished three books back to back. And if you are someone who is looking for fantasy, and if even if you are a beginner, you will love it. Like, you will literally love it. So yeah, please do let me know what you think about this book in the comment section. So our second book is Funny Story by Emily Henry, and this is my first book by her. And I tell you guys, one book is enough for you to make fall in love with her book. I absolutely loved it. Like, it is so good. This is romance. I mean, it's a regular romance if you see, because I have read like lot of romance book, and I love that genre. So it is regular romance. It's small town based, and there is a roommate trope is going on. So it is good, but I think this is more than that. My personal take from this book is it gives you a warm hug. Writing is so good. I think Emily Henry is famous for her writing, the way she writes, the way she makes you feel okay for being yourself. This book is about friendship. Like, not only while love interests are important, but your friendship, your entire circle, your surroundings, you, that what matters more. That's what this book tell you. And there are not long pages, like dialogue where they tell you, this is the life you are supposed to. No, they make you feel like okay being weird in just one line. In just one line. The book is about grief. The book is about friendship. The book is about trauma. The book is about mental health. Book is about family, and how okay it is to be, yourself. How you should love someone, but you should love yourself before loving someone without losing yourself. That is my takeaway from this book. So someone who is, so much into this genre but looking for some freshness, some, authenticity, please go for this book. You're gonna love this. Like, trope is something weird. It is a Daphne who is engaged to someone, but she's not engaged to that person, but that person is dating a girl, and her ex is supposed to be roommate of that. I don't know if I told in a proper way or not, but yeah, like please do and check out this book and let me know if you like this book or not, and please give me like recommendations for book similar to this, because I'm really looking forward to read a book like this. Hydration break. And third book, the last book of my video today, it is Project Hail Mary. I think everybody knows about this book because like there is a movie which is released by, and it is so good. Movie is good, book is more than that. Like yeah, I'm that kind of a book reader who will always tell you, books are better than movies. I would say that movie is good, it's not bad, like they have justified everything, but there is like two major events which are not depicted in movie because I think there was some time constraint. But yeah, even if you have watched the movie, please read this book because it is more, even if you're looking for sci-fi drama, and if you feel like okay, I need to know more science stuff, how they are coming to the conclusion, this is where I think in movie they have not depicted that much because yeah, there was more things going on, so rather than explaining, so they went for just conclusion. But book is about everything, so I'll give you the context of the book, and please read the book and please watch the movie. If possible, please watch on IMAX. I have watched it and tell you it's worth it. Like movie, I think it is made for IMAX, so it's better to be watched in IMAX. So yeah, coming back to the book. So we have a Ryland Grace who wakes up out nowhere. Like later on, we realize he's in the space, and he has no memory. He doesn't even know his name, and he doesn't even know what he's doing in the space. But the sun, our sun, it's in danger. Like it's about to be extinct, and Ryland Grace is the only person who is going to save us. I know, right? It's crazy. Like, there's so many things going on. Obviously, the earth is on the verge of extinction, and then there is a politics going on, and he's alone. He is alone in the space, and he has no idea what he's doing. So, yeah, please read this book. I'm very beginner to this genre. Like, I think this is my second book in this genre, but I'll tell you guys, it's very easy to read and understanding is very easy because writing is very simple. It is science heavy, but it doesn't feel okay, like you can't read it because it is easy and writing is simple. I think I have said it away. Okay, fine. That's okay. Humor is top notch. Like I loved it. Like yeah, the writer is very funny. I think I'll be reading his next second book. I think which was the first book actually, Martian. Yeah, I'm going to read that book, and yes, I'm in love with this genre. If you guys have any more recommendation in this genre, beginner friendly, please do let me know because I'm exploring this genre. And this is the end of my video. I love reading thrillers, but this year I have not found a good thriller to recommend you guys. Hopefully, I'll be telling you more about thrillers in my upcoming videos. But yeah, please share me love and please like and comment. Hopefully, please subscribe for my this quirky videos. Bye. Have a great day.